In holding that the current system is inadequate, inequitable, and unconstitutional, the court rejected a two-tiered school funding system.
In February 2023, the Commonwealth Court ruled that the Pennsylvania school funding system was unconstitutional. The court directed the General Assembly to ensure that public schools have sufficient funding to provide all students with access to a comprehensive, effective, and contemporary public education. The Basic Education Funding Commission recently held a hearing to get a first-hand account of the challenges facing the Commonwealth schools. Dan Urovic-Acklesberg from the Public Interest Law Center made the court's point in simple terms.
Much of the court's opinion in this case rests upon a foundational understanding. In the court's words, every child can learn, regardless of individual circumstances, with the right resources.
The next speaker at the hearing was Maura McInerney, legal director for the Education Law Center, and her testimony returned time and again to a certain buzzword.
As a result of underfunding, children have experienced inequities in their school. Inequities. Equitable, equitably, inequitable. Equity, inequities, inequity. Equity.
Equality. The state of being equal, especially in status, rights, and opportunities. Equity. The quality of being fair or impartial.
In the words of Chief Justice Earl Warren, in these days, it is doubtful that any child may reasonably be expected to succeed in life if he is denied the opportunity of an education. Such an opportunity, where the state has undertaken to provide it, is a right which must be made available to all on equal terms.
Warren used the word equal, not equitable, and the Commonwealth Court didn't mention equitable either. To simply describe the difference, equality measures opportunity and equity measures outcomes. And to be clear, those who seek a more equitable solution to any problem likely have positive intentions, but that doesn't mean we should exemplify the idea. Almost all reasonable people agree that equality of opportunity is paramount. It is one of the foundational principles of our nation, and when developing public policy, should be a primary concern.
We are tasked here with something that will lead to transformational change in education, because everything that has been brought up so far has been considered in the current formula, and it has been decided that that is not working.
All students have different abilities. Some are brilliant thinkers. Others are born artists or musicians. Some excel at athletics. Some students are better at math and reading, or are naturally more scientifically curious than others.
Success is really individually defined. Success of a plumber, success of a student who wants to be in the trades, maybe somebody wants to be in college, 2-year, 4-year, maybe to the school of their dreams and they get a full ride. All of those ideas are part of the term success.
To expect a uniform outcome from a diverse student body is madness. Equity in education inherently leads to low standards, low achievement, and stunted growth. It means students never even scratch the surface of their potential. We should be trying to provide equal opportunities, not looking for equitable outcomes.
From our standpoint, as we're looking to develop numbers, we first need to be looking at develop what should each child have access to in order to make that an adequate education.